Hi everyone, this is Jen Benninger, business building coach as well as co-founder of Freedom Academy. And first, I just want to thank you for opting in on the previous page about wanting to learn about protecting your business. And again, it doesn't matter what type of business you have. It can be an internet marketing business, a network marketing business, an affiliate marketing business, or even a brick and mortar business. And part of the reason I want to share all of these with you is I've been a business owner in all four of those arenas. I've had a brick and mortar business. I was very successful in a network marketing business as well as affiliate marketing and internet marketing. And I just really want to share why this is important for each one of you that has a business in those arenas because there's a lot of vulnerabilities that you may not be aware of. So I want to jump right in. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to just imagine, okay, you're sitting at your office or in your home office or, in your car and you go to the mailbox and you open the mailbox and you realize that you have that dreaded IRS audit envelope in your mailbox and you're like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? Now, I'm not sure if a lot of you are aware, but the IRS audits Schedule Cs more than any other type of tax returns, more than personal tax returns, more than corporation tax returns. They go after the Schedule C because a lot of that is home-based type businesses, affiliate marketing, international income, those type of things. And so you have a really high probability of being audited, but let's say you get that audit, right? And you open it up and you're like, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to do? Well, one of the most amazing things about wanting to protect your business is you need to make sure that you have some audit protection, that you have legal counsel in the tax arena. You don't want your Uncle Bob that does divorces on the side to be helping you with the IRS when they're auditing your Schedule C. And so that is something that is really important. It doesn't matter what type of business you have or how much income you've made. You could make $1,000, you can make $100,000. But if it's on a Schedule C, you're on the IRS's radar. So one of the reasons you want to have some kind of legal protection is because of the IRS. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, now I know these might get a little heavy, but this is why I'm so passionate about sharing these with you, is because sometimes these things you don't want to think about or they catch you off guard. And so the next reason is really hard for me to talk about, but what happens per se if you're not here with us anymore. You're not part of this world anymore. And you have a family and you have a growing business and you have a successful business. Again, whether it's in internet marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing. But if you don't have a will in place, your family member is not going to get your business. If you have a network marketing business that's willable, that you can will to your family, if you don't have that specifically written in your will, that company is just going to absorb your business back into their profits and back into their revenues. When in reality, your family has supported you and done everything to help you grow that business. And then if you're not here anymore, they're not getting rewarded for all of that hard work and they're not being compensated for all the stuff that you did. So it's very, very important that you protect your business by having a will that wills your business and income to your family members. Okay, so I know that might be a little heavy, but to start off with an IRS audit and you're not here anymore needing a will, but I'm imploring you to watch this video to the end because these are 7 serious reasons on why you want to protect your business. So the next reason is a little bit lighter. So, let's say, for example, that you're joining an international business or a new business, or they're asking you to sign some documents to be part of their partner program or to sell, high-end commissions, because, that's really why all home-based businesses are out there, right? It's because you really want to earn that income and you really are a risk taker and you really want to go after, the new up-and-coming things. But have you ever signed a document business related that you really weren't sure what you were signing? Have you ever had to create a document? Let's say that you're launching your affiliate marketing business and you want to bring on some salespeople to help sell in addition to your products. Do you know how to write that document, how to create that contract and make sure that's legally binding? Well, that's another reason that you need to really protect your business, because when you sign your name and you're a sole proprietor and you sign your name to something in a business fashion and something goes wrong, you could lose that business that you've worked so long and hard for. And that is just something that is so minor, yet could have significant positives and negatives on your business. I would really hate for you to have to lose your business because you've either signed something that you shouldn't have, or you were creating documents for others to sign that wasn't really fully protecting you. And so that's another reason why you really want to protect your business with a legal membership, so you have access to the attorneys to help you write, create, and review these documents before you sign them. Now, reason number 4, this is a little bit, I could go on, let me just put it this way, I could go on for a 90-minute video just on reason number 4. And this is because in the membership, you would have unlimited consultation, guidance, and advice. So, again, let's say that you want to partner with someone. Let's say that your business is growing so large that you need to start bringing on outsourcing work. Let's say that you're using services that are asking you to read terms and conditions that you're really not sure of what's happening. And that is something that has stumped a lot of business owners. And I know personally, as well as probably most of you who are watching this, have you ever really just wanted to ask a question? Have you ever really just wanted to pick up the phone and say, hey, attorney, you know what? I just earned a significant income and I need some advice on investing. Or I need some legal advice on hiring employees. I need some legal advice on outsourcing to foreign countries. These type of things, again, if you are getting the proper and unbiased legal advice that is going to help your business, then you're lowering your risk tremendously from making bad decisions or decisions. Have you ever heard that term, you don't know what you don't know? And that's another like kind of pet peeve of mine is I really want to help people, but if I don't know what I don't know, I can't really help them. So I've got to go figure out the answer. And if you are open to talking to an attorney, being able to pick up the phone anytime, any day, Monday through Friday, and talk to an attorney within 8 business hours to get the advice answered, so you're making smart decisions, so your business grows instead of falters, then that's an amazing reason on why you want to protect your business and have that access to legal counsel. The fifth reason is, and I know that those of you who are listening on this call, you've traveled with your business, right? You've either gone to a conference if you're in network marketing, you've gone to an internet marketing summit. If you're an affiliate marketer, you've been, to some type of training. And now imagine this. You've been traveling, you go and the airline loses your luggage. And they just basically say, too bad, so sad. We'll find it when we find it. And they're not going to compensate you for any of your inconvenience whatsoever. Well, one of the things that's really amazing about having some type of protection for your business, well, you have letter writing where you could call your attorney and say, attorney, blank Airlines, we won't use any names, blank Airlines has lost my luggage and has decided that I'm just supposed to deal with it. Can you please help me out with this? And then your attorney jets off a little letter from your primary law firm, and they say, we've consulted with my client, and your company has done something wrong to my client, and they go after and they try to get your money back or some kind of compensation. I mean, I've used this so many times. Let's say here's another thing. Here's another way. Let's say we want to be a little bit heavier. So let's say you're with a company and they owe you money. A lot of affiliate marketers have this challenge. A lot of internet marketers have this challenge. You're marketing other people's products. How would you like to know that you market someone else's products and then you don't get paid? Wouldn't you like to have some kind of recourse to go after those people who've decided not to pay you? Well, we could do debt collection letters like that as well. And so having that kind of power and really affecting what kind of 800-pound gorilla you have in your corner is an amazing benefit for you to have for your businesses. So, reason number 6 is the dreaded lawsuit. Now, talk about going to your mailbox and pulling out the IRS audit letter. How about going to your mailbox and finding that another law firm or a client or a business owner or an affiliate marketer or another big company is assigned to sue you? Because maybe you signed a document or didn't sign a document that you should or shouldn't have without having an attorney look at it. Or maybe you got involved with something that was, on a startup base or something along those lines, but all of a sudden you go to your mailbox and now you have a lawsuit. What are you going to do? For home-based businesses, for network marketers, for the majority of us, you don't have $100,000 to $200,000 sitting in a savings account that says, just in case I get sued, here's my money to pay for it. And this is another huge benefit for all those business owners, but it's also something that people don't want to think about. I know this video, you're like, Jen, I got on this video, I didn't expect you to be such a downer. And I apologize for that, but these are things that are real. They happen, and you will lose sleep at night about it. So one of the greatest things about having this membership is it does help you sleep better at night, because we're here to help you with all of these major challenges that most businesses fall. So with that, the final reason that I really, really want to share with you about having a legal protection for your business is that it actually protects your entire family. And a lot of people don't realize that when you're a sole proprietor, I mentioned it earlier, when you sign something or when you're involved with something and your social security number is attached to it, that affects your family. If there's a lawsuit, if there's an audit, that can affect your credit, which can affect getting a house. Imagine, you go to buy a new house, you buy a new car, right? You're doing amazing in your business and you earn their car bonus, or you earned, a $50,000 bonus in your business, and you go to buy a car, or you go to buy a house, and they tell you that something that happened in your business is now affecting your personal life. And so protecting your entire family also gives you that peace of mind. It gives you just the opportunity to not have to worry about these type of things. So everything that I mentioned before, if you're married, your spouse can call the law firm and talk to them about, DirecTV or Charter or your internet provider or anything like that if you're having any challenges. And I use these examples because that's exactly what I've used this membership for the last 8 years. It's protected my business. Full transparency, I've been audited on my Schedule C, and I know what happens. And guess what? I didn't have to go. The law firm took care of it for me because I had IRS protection coverage. I've used the letter writing, and I have used the advice. I call advice all the time. I call for document review. I don't sign anything. Freedom Academy documents, jenben.com documents, any type of documents without having an attorney look at them first. And so I really appreciate the time that you took to listen to these 7 reasons. And I know it might have been a little bit of a downer at time, but I hope you don't fall into the trap of you didn't know what you didn't know. And I hope I shared that with you. And I would love to share more about getting a legal protection membership for your business. And so there's 2 ways to protect your business today. Number 1 is you can go to legalprotection.yourfreedomacademy.com, and there will be a video there where I'll walk you through how to register for that membership. Or you can email me at yourfreedomacademy@gmail.com, and I can answer any questions that you have or help you walk through to get the membership. Now, I know that a lot of you are saying, well, Jen, I really want to do this, but I'm not really sure. I really want to protect my business, but I really need to know what the cost of that's going to be. And that's an excellent question. And I have no challenge telling you a little bit about the cost, but before I do that, I just want you to go and think about what the cost will be if you don't have this protection. If you sign that one document that you shouldn't have signed, if something happens and your family loses your whole business, if you get that dreaded IRS notice in the mail, if you realize that you didn't ask the right questions because you didn't have an attorney to talk to, ask yourself what that is going to cost you in your business, and then realize that the $39.99 a month that you would pay for your membership is nothing compared to what would happen if any of those scenarios happened to you today. So again, there's two ways to protect your business. You can go to legalprotection.yourfreedomacademy.com. There'll be a video there and a link where I'll walk you through to sign up for your membership. And then, or you can email me at yourfreedomacademy@gmail.com and just say, Dear Jen, I have a question about the Legal Shield membership that you shared on the video, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. So with that, you guys, thank you so much for taking the time. Congratulations on protecting your business, and have a great day.